If you're constantly digging through your backpack or still bag to find small essentials like your wallet, receipts, action camera, or bike documents, then this compact accessory might be exactly what you need. This is the ViaTerra Crossbar Handlebar TrailPack, and I've been using it for quite some time now. Welcome back to Gadget Wheelz. Today, I'm checking out the ViaTerra Crossbar Handlebar TrailPack. The first thing I like is its compact size. The overall build quality feels premium. Despite its compact size, the storage is surprisingly practical. The outer material is rugged and designed to handle everyday riding conditions, while the inside features a soft plush lining that protects delicate items like sunglasses, an action camera, or your phone from scratches. What I like the most is the quick access. Whether I'm stopping to wear my sunglasses, grab a snack, or take out my action camera, everything is right in front of me without opening my luggage. There's a dedicated mesh zipper pocket outer side for smaller items for quick access. The organized layout makes everything easy to find without digging through a larger luggage bag. Installation is simple and takes just a couple of minutes. The strong Velcro mounting system wraps securely around the handlebar and crossbar, keeping the bag firmly in place. If you're looking for a compact, sturdy, and well-organized handlebar bag for your motorcycle, this handlebar TrailPack is definitely worth considering. It's a small accessory that adds a lot of convenience on every ride. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Gadget Wheelz for more motorcycle accessories, modifications, and long-term ownership reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.